Hi guys, today I will be explaining about how to save video in CapCut PC. This process is really simple and easy, and for this we have two ways. The first one is we can save video in the CapCut project, and the second one is we can save video by exporting it in our PC. So let's explore the way of exporting video in CapCut PC. Like if you have finished editing and want to save it, then take a look on the right top. Here you can see the option Export, tap on it. And now you can see the location where it will be exported. If you want to change, then tap on it. And here you can choose your desired location. But I think before exporting, you need to sign in your account. You can sign in your Google account for free. Now the second way of saving is we can save our whole video in project. For this, you don't have to do anything. Once you think your video is fully ready and you want to save it, then take a look on the right top. Here you can see the cross sign. Just tap on it. Then your video will be saved automatically in CapCut project. You don't have to tap on any button. So now if you want to open it, then again, tap on this video. And here you can get your desired video. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.